YouTube's showing you this ad because you're probably a gardener. And if you're a gardener, then you're probably spending too much time hand watering. But every time you try to figure out some sort of automatic system, it's confusing, there's too many options, and it seems like nothing really works that well. That's why Drip Depot created the Drip Depot raised bed kit. Whether it's metal raised bed, wooden raised bed, brick raised beds, any type of raised bed works incredible with the Drip Depot raised bed kit. They last for decades. Irrigation professionals spent decades perfecting a design that works for every single raised bed situation. These kits are designed to be easy to assemble, and they're guaranteed to keep your plants watered all summer long. And if you grab yourself a timer to hook up before the system, you can set a schedule so you never have to worry about missing a watering again. That means you can finally go on vacation, or it might mean you can sleep in a little bit longer in the mornings. All Drip Depot kits come with free, fast shipping and are backed by a Drip Depot lifetime warranty. There's still time to get a Drip Depot irrigation system installed before the heat of the summer really hits. Find out why over 12,000 gardeners have already chosen Drip Depot irrigation today. Follow the link to dripdepot.com/kits to find the right Drip Depot kit for your garden.